Terrell, what day is it?
What's in the shop Wednesday?
It's in the shop Wednesday. Here we are at LATROBE. Terrell is currently installing some tint on a Camaro with Gavin. Our tint team's a little lighter here than it was the last couple weeks because our Washington store is in the testing phase. We're testing operations there with many cars. And we've got Jimmy polishing and coating a Tesla Model S. It's Tesla week here at Blackout, as you're about to see. Damari's cleaning up a Ram 2500. We did some PPF on that one yesterday. Got like the hood, the bumper, maybe rockers. The Hudson, been here for a few weeks, polished and coated. Ready to go home. Caleb and Aaron are about to do a hood on another Tesla Model X. What is this? X. We don't see many X's here. We see more Y's than X's. But that one's an X. This is an X too. Two X's. I guess we see more X's than I thought. To my left, we have a Cybertruck. This one was previously vinyl wrapped. Something happened to the front bumper, and we were rewrapping it. I think it was potentially hit or backed into or something. All right, outside we've got a Toyota Tundra. This is a 2017. It's here for a two-step paint correction next to a new Tundra, TRD Pro. And I believe this one is on for a ceramic coating. I know we have one on for a ceramic coating. Toyota must have got some deliveries the last 2 weeks. We've been seeing a lot of TRD Toyotas. This one's a 4Runner. It got PPF on the front end, and it's up next for a ceramic coating. You guys did a great job. I couldn't even find it. And let's see what's happening at the other 4 stores. Pretty soon we're gonna have to cut it off and just throw a couple stores into each one of these weeks. We can't do all of them. See you next week.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Over here we have a 2020 Dodge Ram. This was in for some paint protection film and ceramic coating. We are doing the front bumper fully in our 8mm paint protection film. And Mark has polished out the entire vehicle and applied an 8-year coating. Another PPF job in the works is the C706. This one has been here for about a week or two. We're just chipping away at it as the winter months are still upon us. This will be wrapped up at some point today. This is getting a track package in our 8mm paint protection film. In the wash bay, these guys are just getting this Model Y wrapped up. This was in for a full 10mm PPF, full front package. We also tinted the side windows and back windows in our Prime XR Plus window tint. Next up is a Porsche Panamera in from our friends at Ken Ganley, Audi Porsche Swickley. This is in for window tint. We're doing 35% tint on all the side windows and the back window. Another tint job is this Dodge Ram. This 07 Ram is getting 5% tint on all the side windows for optimal privacy. Next up is a Porsche 911. This got some window tint earlier in the week. We did 20% tint on the side windows and the back window. And we are also doing some paint protection film on this. With all the high winds we've had here in Pittsburgh recently, this was hit by something on the turnpike and it did a number to the PPF there, but it looks like the majority of the impact was saved by the paint protection film. So we're gonna be taking that piece of PPF off and reapplying a new piece.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
On the lift, we have this Porsche 718. It's in for a track pack and a full 8-year ceramic coating. This Model 3 is in for an annual inspection and to retint the windshield after it was cracked and replaced. This Audi RS7 is in for a full body paint protection film, full body ceramic in our 4-year, and full XR Plus window tint all around. Customer opted for the darkest legal, which meant we put a 30% XR Plus in the front 2 windows and a 15% XR Plus in the rear. In the tint bay, we have this X5 that's in for XR Plus all around, including the front windshield.
Hi guys, Tequila checking in for Sarasota. Let me show you what we got. In the shop today, we have 2 brand new 2026 Model Ys coming in for full window tints. On this one here, it's getting our XR series, 15% in the front with 5 across the back. On my left here, we have the Juniper model. It's a little bit higher of a trim, and the client literally picked it up from the dealership yesterday and brought it here right away. He's getting XR Plus 15 on the fronts with 5 in the back. Same combo as the other car, just higher trim. And here's the Juniper all finished up, looking absolutely incredible, all blacked out. Touching back on last week's episode, here is a finished look at the house we tinted. We did our evening view 25 on most of the exterior windows, along with privacy film in the restrooms. You can see it has a really nice reflective metallic from the outside, and ultimately just looks super clean.